Good morning, children. A very good morning to all. Welcome back to today's class. And as we have finished successfully our 2 units today, very happily we are going to start our third unit. In our English, in the textbook, each lesson, each unit is giving us good messages. The first unit when we discussed, in the first 3 readings, it is completely about the nature, about the animals, having a peace and harmony. We must have a peace, and means try to have a control on our anger and try to be a united in our family. కలిసిమెలిసి ఉండడం ఎలా అనేది మనం ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. Come to the second unit, we had known for the history, the things that we don't know about our state. మన ఒక రాష్ట్రం గురించి కొన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకున్నాం. And today, the third unit, the reading, we are going to start in this lesson. What we are going to learn. It is the story completely about a family, about a poor family. Who are living in a foreign country. The parents who are unable to, because they are not rich. It is a very poor family. In a family, they living mother and father, a brother and a younger sister. And this family is very poor. And the girl name is called Tess, and the brother name is called Andrew. And also we are going to meet in this lesson Dr. Conrad Armstrong, and also the chemistry, the person who said. What happened to Andrew? What Tess has done? What the parents of Tess done? Actually, in this story, Andrew is suffering with a very serious disease, and the parents are trying to do, and they are trying to give the money whatever they have. They are giving good medicine. They are taking to hospital, and it was no useless, and he has to get an operation. So what Tess has done, to the Andrew, who helped the test, and why they kept, mainly why they kept, what can $1.11 do? What can a dollar means it is a money. No, it is a value. It is a money we have. We call as rupee, but whereas in America they call as dollars. Not in America, in some countries, they call money in dollars. So what can a dollar and 11 cents do? Tan దగ్గర ఉన్న test there. In our parents what to do, they'll give us a pocket money. When they give, we'll keep in a kitty bank. Yes, in the same way our Tess used to keep the money whatever she had, or mother parents they give, when for her pocket money, and she used to present a kitty bank. So what is money she's having? $1. How much money? $1.11 she was having. With this money, what she had done, how Andrew was cured from his disease, who helped him, and that is the story. So I hope you are ready with the textbook. Please open page number 31. Many times we go to medical shop. Sometimes if we need a medicine or any syrups, for a bandage or cotton, etc. things, when we need it, we go to hospital. We go to medical store, and we observe there will be different types of medicines will be there. Tonics will be there, syrups will be there, some protein foods, tonics, and different medicines will be there. Yes. So the picture also we can see this is a medical store. We can see different types of medicine that are there in the medical store. So first let us see, there are few questions. What can you say about the shop? What we can say by looking at the picture? It is a medical store, it is a medical shop. Next, when does one go to such shops? When you get sick, when you need any medicine, you go to the medical shop. Why do you think the girl has come to the shop? Why the girl has come to the shop? Can you guess? Maybe she may needed any medicine or something she want, some medicine she want nothing, she came to shop. What do you think the girl is saying to the shopkeeper? Guess it, what she is telling. Okay, maybe she needed some medicine. She is telling whatever money she is having, please take this money and give me the medicine that she want. Does she look happy? What made you think so? Okay, by looking at the picture, looking at her, does she looks happy? No, she was looking disappointment and not happy. I hope something may happen to her or to their family members. Who might be ill? Okay, who might be one way or another, maybe his brother, maybe his parents, or maybe grandparents. Okay, so now impact the sense dispatch in the picture. Okay, so when we have a regular classes, when we have a normal, when school is open, let us have this one in a role. Let us play a skit. Okay, now let us go to our lesson. Okay, let us start. Yeah. An 8 years old child, Tess, heard her parents talking about her little brother Andrew. What is the girl name? Tess, and his brother name is Andrew. What is the age of the Tess? She was 8 years old. She was 8 years old. And his little brother Andrew. All she knew was that Andrew was very sick and her parents did not have enough money for the treatment. So in the story we are going to speak about Tess and his little brother Andrew. And one day parents of Tess and Andrew are speaking. That what is speaking she doesn't know, but she only know that his little brother Andrew was sick. He was suffering with very sickness, and his parents are unable to give him treatment because they are very poor family. There was lack of money. They were moving into a smaller house because they could not comfort to the stay in present house after playing in the doctor's room. So what happened? Before they used to live in a good house, very comfortable. When the Andrew was sick, okay, when they take him to hospital, the bill, whatever the medicine, whatever the money, okay, they has to pay for the doctor. After paying the bill, there was no much money to stay in the home. So they had moved to another house, being lack of money. He needed a costly surgery now, and there was no one to loan them the money. So her parents lost their hope and give up their effort. So they Andrew need to have a costly surgery. He needs to have a operation. And there were no person coming forward to give any loan to them, and they were fed up with this problem, and they have tried, they maybe asked their neighbors and the people they know, they asked it, but no one came forward to give them money, and they were unable to come forward, and these parents of Tess, okay, got hopeless. They are hopeless about this operation. So let us see this up to this paragraph. Let's see. In this story, we are going to speak about Tess and his little brother Andrew and their family. So this little girl having 8 years old, a girl named Tess, and his brother name is Andrew. And one day the parents are speaking about his brother Andrew, and she can't understand what they are speaking, but she knows that only that his brother Andrew was very sick, and being lack of money, they are unable to give him good treatment. Okay, and they should live in a good house, being the bill that they have paid for doctors. Okay, they don't have, the parents doesn't have much money. That's why they had to go to another house, and Andrew need to have a surgery, costly operation he need to have. But the parents of Andrew or Tess, they have tried, they have asked their neighbors and people they know, but no people came forward to help them, and they are hopeless about this operation. Okay, మనం ఈ లెసన్ లో టెస్ మరియు ఆండ్రూ ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, ఒక రోజు టెస్ యొక్క పేరెంట్స్ ఇద్దరు చాలా సీరియస్ గా మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు టెస్ డోర్ పక్కన నుంచి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం మాట్లాడుకోవడం దానికి అర్థం కాకపోయినా కానీ తన యొక్క సోదరుడు ఓకే వాళ్ళ యొక్క అన్న లేదా తమ్ముడు చాలా భయం ఓకే ఏదో విపరీతమైన జబ్బుతో బాధపడుతున్నాడు. వాళ్ళ తల్లిదండ్రుల దగ్గర అంత డబ్బు లేక తనకు మంచి వైద్యము అందించలేకపోతున్నారు. కానీ ఎంతో మందిని అతనికి ఒక పెద్ద ఆపరేషన్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఆ యొక్క ఆపరేషన్ కావాల్సిన డబ్బు వాళ్ళ దగ్గర లేకపోవడం వల్ల ఏం చేశారు, వాళ్ళకి తెలిసిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఎన్నుకొని వాళ్ళందరూ అడిగినా కానీ ఎవరు సహాయం చేయలేదు. వాళ్ళు చాలా వరకు ఎంత ప్రయత్నం చేసినా కానీ ఎవరు ముందుకు రాబడి వాళ్ళకి ఏమైంది, ట్రెస్ మరియు ఆండ్రూ తల్లిదండ్రులు ఆవేదనకు గురయ్యి ఎలా ఏం చేయాలన్నా ఎంతో ఆవేదనతో బాధపడుతూ ఉన్నారు అన్నమాట. When Tess heard her daddy saying to her tearful mother, only a miracle can give him now, she went to her room and filled a jar of coin from a cupboard. She poured all the money out on the floor and counted it carefully. Holding the jar tightly, she made her way to the medical store and placed it on a glass table. So what happened? When Tess got the father of Tess, the daddy of Tess was telling to her tearful mother. The mother was praying when we sick, how our mother cries, how she felt sad. The same way, the Tess mother was praying. The dad was telling, only a miracle can be taken place. Okay, what our father saying? Only a miracle can save him now. Okay, ఏమంటుండు ఒక అద్భుతం అనేది మన కుమారుడికి ఆండ్రూకు జరగాలి. ఇప్పుడు అది తప్ప మనం ఏం చేయలేమని చెప్పడం immediately Tess went to a room and there was a jar containing some coins in the cupboard. She took the jar and she poured the coins on the floor and she counted it, and carefully she took the jar and she moved towards the medical store and she poured the coins on the glass table. ఎప్పుడైతే యొక్క ఫాదర్ టెస్ యొక్క ఫాదరు ఆండ్రూకి యొక్క అద్భుతం జరగాలి లేదంటే అతను బతకడు అనే ఒక తల్లి చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఈ యొక్క మాటలను ఓకే మిరాకిల్ ఓకే అద్భుతం జరగాలన్నప్పుడు ఈ యొక్క మాటను తను ఏమనుకుంది, వెంటనే తన దగ్గర ఉన్న కొన్ని కాయిన్స్ తీసుకొని కౌంట్ చేసి కాయిన్స్ మెడికల్ షాప్ తీసుకెళ్ళి టేబుల్ మీద పోస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, వాట్ షీ వాస్ థింకింగ్, మిరాకిల్ మీన్స్ షీ వాస్ థింకింగ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ టాబ్లెట్. లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్. What do you want? asked the chemist. It's for my little brother, Tess answered. He's really sick. I want to buy a miracle. We don't sell miracles here, child. I am sorry, the chemist said, smiling sadly at the little girl. Listen, I have the money to pay for it. If it isn't enough, I can try and get some more. Just tell me how much it costs. So what happened? She's thinking that okay, miracle is a medicine. Is there the medicine like miracle? No, there was no medicine like miracle. Adbhutamana medicine unda? No, we have only some medicine like Vixaxin 500, okay, Dolo 500. Like this, we have different tablets, but we don't have medicine or tablet like miracle. So she went to the medical store and she was asking. The chemist asking, little girl, tell me what you want. Okay, then immediately the little girl Tess was telling, my little brother was very sick. Okay, I want the medicine of miracle. And he's saying we don't have any medicine like okay the tablet like miracle. Sorry, we don't have. Then Tess was telling, please tell me how much it costs. I will give you. How much it costs? Tell me. I'll give you whatever it costs. అతను చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట, మిరాకిల్ అనే ఒక టాబ్లెట్ మా యొక్క షాప్లో లేదు. ఓకే, అది అసలు ఉండదు, ఆ మెడికల్ మెడిసిన్ ఉండదు. ఓకే అని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏమైనా లేదు, మా యొక్క బ్రదర్ చాలా విపరీతమైన జబ్బుతో బాధపడుతున్నాడు, అతను చాలా బాధపడుతున్నాడు, అదంతా చెప్పండి, ఇక్కడ డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా దానికి కావాల్సిన డబ్బులు ఎంతో చెప్పండి, నేను ఇస్తాను అంటుంది అనమాట. సో there was no tablet, but what happened, she was thinking that there is a tablet like the tablet of medicine. Okay, when the father was telling miracle, she thought that miracle is a tablet. Okay, so she was very sadly she was telling, but is there a tablet? Not there. So it is a very child. Okay, because when we are very childish, okay, when we are very younger, we don't know what is what. Okay, sometimes we do in the same way as Tess has done. So let us see what happened. Okay, what happened? How Andrew was healed in the next class. Who helped the test? So let us see in the next class. And today's homework is once again revise. Okay, until what we completed, just go through once again, and after that, okay, what you have to do? Okay, write the medicines. Write at least 10 medicines that you know. Okay, write. Okay, find out that maybe your parents or maybe some your grandparents may be using. Okay, when they are sick and they heal the medicine, you may be at home. So find out at least 10 medicine names and write. That is your homework. Okay, children, what's your homework? Write at least 10 medicine names. Okay, 10 medicine names. Okay, that is your homework. Okay, children, thank you.